You've just pulled up on the side of the road with a flat tyre and you've just found the culprit. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick roadside repair to get you home. Okay, so the first thing you've obviously got to do is pull over to the side of the road somewhere safe away from other traffic. And if you've got a centre stand on your bike, it's best if you can put your bike up on the centre stand. If not, the normal side stand is fine. First thing you're obviously going to do is once you've found the problem is remove it. So obviously this particular one's got a screw in it. So either with a pair of pliers or some sort of tool, remove the screw. In this case it's a screw from the tyre. This is obviously a simulated version because I'm in a workshop, but you get the idea. Once you've removed the problem child, next thing you're obviously going to do is file the hole out, because this is the filing tool that you'll need. And obviously these are the plugs that you put in the tyre. And keep in mind, these are obviously just to get you home. They're not a permanent fix. Obviously once you get back home, take it to a tyre repairer and have one of these proper rubber plugs put in from the inside, pulled through. Next thing you've got to do obviously is file out the hole. This is to make the hole the same size as the plug, or suitable for the plug. So it's just a matter of pushing it in, turning it like so, until it goes right into the tyre. Keep in mind this is a tubeless repair. Push it in and out a couple of times, like so. It works like a file. Be a bit brutal. That's it. Once you get it moving like that, it's the right size, ready to go. Just a matter of grabbing one of your plugs out of your tyre repair kit, like so. Get this fella out. And this is the tool that you use to obviously push it through into the hole. It's just a matter of feeding it through, like a needle in a thread, like so. This one's playing a bit hard to start with, but once we get it started, we'll be right. There we go. Pull it through till it's about halfway. About halfway through the tool, as you can see. And it's simply a matter of pushing it in, twisting it, pushing it in like that until you feel it go in. And obviously if you've still got some air in the tyre, it does help a little bit. Push the tool in till it's about there, and then remove the tool, like so. And that's your plug. Once your plug's in place, all you need to do is grab your knife or a razor blade or whatever you have handy on the side of the road. Give it a bit of a trim, just below the tread like so. Remove any excess that's sticking up. There we go. And there's your plug done. And there you go. As you can see where the plugs came through to the inside of the tyre, and that's what you want. And on the outside, you can see the plug repair once it's been cut off nice and flush with the tread of the tyre, or as close as possible. And obviously on the road, that'll wear down if it's on the actual tread part. This particular one's on the inside, but if it's up on here, obviously that'll wear down smooth with the tyre, which is not an issue. Okay, you've made the repair to your tyre and you're good to go. All that's needed now is to reinflate your tyre back up to the correct pressure, either using a compressor if you happen to be carrying one, or you can use the normal roadside puncture repair kits, which on sports bikes generally carry. And it's a very simple way to do it, using these gas canisters for those that may not have seen them before. Simply a matter of screwing this end onto the bike valve. The gas canister goes into the side. Make sure this valve's turned off first. Screw this in, you'll feel it stop. Once it stops, then push it and screw it a bit harder, and what it does is it punches this little seal in here, which then will release the gas. So once you screw it right in and you feel it release, undo the valve here, let the air, and that lets the air out of the gas canister through into your tyre. You may need 4 or 5 of these to get your tyre up to the correct pressure, but most bike repair kits have at least 3, but it wouldn't hurt to carry a few more spares. Okay, so there you go, tyre repair done safely on the side of the road. Obviously you want to take it easy getting back home until you repair this tyre properly with a proper internal rubber plug. Keep in mind that general rule, 70% across the tyre is all you should be looking at to repair any tyre. And obviously if the hole's any bigger than probably a small pencil, then you probably don't want to go there. Obviously, if the tyre repair is in the sidewall or anywhere around the side of the tyre, it's not repairable, and obviously the best thing to do is put your bike in a trailer and head home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to check out some other videos above. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So until next time, ride safe, see you soon.